Welcome! In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace an old hard drive in your desktop with a new one. This will include what wires to disconnect and replace in a step-by-step breakdown of the process. We also have included a short look at all the hardware in a desktop. I hope this helps. Enjoy! Please note that there are many different styles of desktops. This is another example of a slimline. Such a desktop requires the removal of a screw to access the hard drive and undo its wires. Alright, so first we will start off with locating the hard drive you want to replace. That's the one we're looking for. Next, you will want to remove the power cord. And then the SATA cable. Now we are ready to pull the hard drive out. Now that all cords and wires have been disconnected, it is safe to pull the hard drive out. Now we can take it apart and put the new one on. Now you will want to unscrew the hard drive from the loading bay.
And now we have our new hard drive to put back into the loading bay.
Now we will put the new hard drive in where the old hard drive had existed. And now we're ready to connect the cables. Now we are ready to replace the power cord. And now the SATA cord. And we're ready to use our hard drive. Please be aware that this hard drive is in fact blank and requires the installation of an operating system to use the computer. Install your operating system according to its own instructions. Also, if this hard drive is a secondary drive, it will need to be formatted. Included in the description are links for how to prepare your hard drive for use.